What's up, everybody? I have created a situation today that I want to show you. I made a video last year about the Energo, how to use it, when you can use it, what you need to look for. The only thing I did not show in that video is what you should do or what you can do when you have a coated car that is full in water spots. The water spots today have been created by me personally, and I'm just going to take you through my approach, my assessment, how I treat these things, and the things that I look for when I'm doing this. So I'm not going to go deep into the technology and everything, just a situation with a solution. Let's check the situation first, what I created on the car. I counted the hood as not being 100% anymore because I have overspray on it, but now I created lime scale as well. I sprayed this on myself because it was drying out pretty nicely. The same for here. Huge amount of water spots. And very nasty water spots, I might add. These are not the water spots where we can joke around. These are not the water spots to joke around with. Semi-protected or unprotected almost, we can say, is the roof. What I created here. And they have been cooking in since this morning. I think that's long enough to count for a good lime scale test. We know that fresh water spots can be removed with Perfecta right after the wash. But for this case, Energo is also an option. But in this case, I'm also going to try Perifica. What do I have to treat this? Now, I'm working outside, so I have to count for temperature. There's still temperature here. Temperature is semi-warm, so I'm going to rinse the car to cool off the paint a little bit. Then I have a bucket. With some Perifica, 1 to 400, purely for the washing. And this dilution, this is acidic, so it's not going to dry up and make water spots. I have Perifica 1 to 10 in a spray bottle like this, and I have Energo 1 to 5 in a spray bottle like this. Step number 1, cool down the surface. Step number 2, just to see if it's powerful enough, Perifica 1 to 10, if it will stick. Because this dwelling is going to be a challenge. Mid. No agitation. As in too strong. No too strong agitation. Maybe something smarter, Reggie? And the only reason I'm using Perifica is I want to see if this is enough. I'll take the quarter panel of the front fender as the initial test to see if it's working. Don't have to be a rocket scientist. Not too much agitation because I don't want to destroy anything. We have reduction. This is going to be difficult to get in the picture. We have reduction. We have good reduction. Let's repeat that. Let's repeat that here also on the hood. Do the same thing, the exact same thing. But yeah, it's a good time for a 50-50. Good time, good choice, 50-50. Perif got 1 to 10. Now, instead of Showing you that I'm not using pressure. I might as well do the microfiber dragging like this. Let's rinse this, see what happened. Oh, yes. What an absolute nightmare. Brilliant. Again, we have beautiful reduction. However, the sacrificial water spots, so to speak, the ones that you can see when it's wet, also what you see on the water. So you can clearly see, I hope you can clearly see there's some water spotting still going on here. Yeah? So let's rub this with the microfiber. You see, it looks like they're gone. Okay, I should try one more Perifica, just in case, just in case. Yeah, they are still there. They are still there. Okay, I'm convinced that Perifica is at its limits. For the only thing it can do now in this case is reduce the amount of water spotting. It's a reduction, it's not a disappearing, it's a dissolving, it's nothing, they are still there. You see they are still there by the water behavior. See, they are not even able to blow away. All these minerals still here, just like on glass. Okay, I've exhausted the possibilities of shampoos. Now we move to the antibiotic. Okay, here we go. And there we go, right on the surface. Oh. Make the 50-50 again. Also in there go in the mid. Let's wash that. Just wash like you would normally also wash. Rinse the mid. Oh, now this behavior we did not get right before. Water starting to break again. Great. Let's rinse and see. At this location, they are all gone. They are all gone. Did something happen on this side? No, we still have water spotting here. So I'll put the camera down to repeat the operation, and you can see it a little bit more from a distance. Repeating the operation. Surface is cool, check. Let me check that, double check. Yes, this is cool. Energo right here, because this spot I saw very much stuff happening. Energo right here. And again, this is also an operation you can keep repeating. But the challenge is, of course, when you have a ceramic coating, that agitation or mechanical action is almost impossible without damaging or making marring, scratches, or whatever on the ceramic. Because do they actually protect against water spots? We saw a huge amount of water spots. They were there. The challenge for a ceramic coating is to trap or to keep the water spot in the coating and don't let it go through the coating, that it goes through the paint. Well, I love this. I love this very much. Wash the mid. Take some Perif 1 to 400 and washed the surface again. So also eliminate the amount of rinsing we have to do. Oh my God, God, man, I love this. No more water spots. Nothing, nada. Yeah, Reggie, but how about the performance of the ceramic? Aha, I hear you think. Looking still at this, I would say there were some water spots. However, I'm probably going to show you this up close in a different video, because what I have done here is probably, before checking if I could remove the water spots, using a microfiber and pressing it on the ceramic. But for the rest, mission accomplished. Strongest water spot remover in the world does not affect a well-performing ceramic coating. Okay, Reggie, but what about that trunk of yours? What about that semi, if not no protection whatsoever? You could even see by the shape of the water drops. Let's do this exactly the same. Skip Perif because I already have the solution. Check the surface, that's cool enough. As in cool temperature, not very cool water spots. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Even on unprotected cars, fully removed water spots. I am very happy. With a product like this, the word common sense comes to mind very often. This product should not be in the hands of a rookie. It is a professional grade product that gives you the results that you want from a water spot remover. Use common sense. Working outside, sunlight, keep it in suspense, keep it in motion, add products, don't let it dry. In the initial phase, nothing can go wrong, especially not on paint. But if you leave a substance like this too long, for hours, overnighter for example, you can create some issues, and issues that could be unrepairable. Perif did something, but not to my liking, and that's why I'm very happy that we have Energo for a situation like this. I'm going to finish off the car. I've given you a live assessment of how I would approach a problem like this. I'm always open to suggestions, so if you have something better, easier, faster, more effective, cheaper, especially the last one cheaper, please let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Until the next time.